Hey guys, we're here with Nikki. She's going to, I was kind of curious. Well, first off, let's just talk about our partnership in general.
Yeah.
I work with Nikki on a daily basis, usually.
So we do, this is Print Resources, so we work with Koorsen on their promotional business, so we run the Koorsen web store for them to send out all the different marketing materials for their different branches. We are also a digital printer, so we house all of that equipment here as well. And we have a large warehouse in the back where we store all inventory for our web stores or for client projects.
Yeah.
So, and Koorsen also, of course, does all of our fire extinguishers and our fire systems, so it made sense for them to do this new project for us, the install of cameras.
So we're installing their cameras. We discussed earlier, we did 3 outside, 2 indoor, and they are just basically protecting anyone that enters or exits or is going to be in their parking lot areas. So what we're going to show you, if you're willing, to just kind of show us the facility. Obviously for security, it's to protect your guys' assets, to protect you guys. So we just kind of wanted to show you guys their facility. It's really cool. So join us.
Yeah,
all right,
absolutely.
Let's do it.
Let's go this way.
Hey, everyone feels like they're nervous because they can't see you, don't worry.
So we're going to head back here. This is our warehouse space and also our assembly area. So we get a lot of traffic in and out of here with trucks, FedEx, UPS, and then also a lot of our employees work back here too, doing all of our assembly for our different projects. And all of that is stored back in this area. So there's a lot of merchandise back here that has been paid for by wonderful clients that we need to keep protected. So we've decided to make sure that we're monitoring. There's 2 entrances here, as well as the dock space.
Show them the indoor.
Yeah, so make sure we're monitoring who's coming and going out of this facility, making sure people are locking up correctly at night, and then, you know, just since we do have so many high dollar packages that come in and out of here, you know, keeping an eye on our dock area to make sure all of that is being handled properly and whatnot. So
this is the indoor camera that is like partially installed right now that's going to cover these 2 doors so they can see that kind of area. And then just for my personal self, do you mind showing us like the printers just because it's cool?
Nope, not at all. We can go this way.
It's loud, but
it will get a little loud. Our bindery area has obviously a bunch of machines that make a lot of noise, but we can definitely head over that way too. So this is more of just our assembly area. In the back, we do keep some different machines. Those aren't typically running on a daily basis. So,
cool.
But this is kind of where most of the work is done. So you have your cutters back here, your binders, your machines that will, our slitting and scoring machines. So lots of interesting things back here. Awesome. And our printers have to be kept in a climate controlled environment. So they have to stay in their own separate room.
Okay.
So this is where we house, we have 2 color digital presses, our Canon and our HP Indigo press. We also have a black and white printer and an envelope printer that is behind us here, and then a large format printer too for doing signs, banners, so your pull-up signs, your vinyl banners, foam core posters. So this is where everything is printed, obviously in here, and then it goes out to be finished in, the different ways of however the project calls for.
So is this kind of like the starting point for the...
It is, yep. So everything starts here. Yeah, your job tickets get dropped off and then...
So we showed everyone backwards.
Yes, but that's okay. So there's a lot of stuff in our warehouse that doesn't necessarily ever touch back here.
Yeah.
And vice versa. So things down here are done pretty quickly, typically within about 3 days. projects already moved on and out the door. So nothing ever lingers too long in this area.
Cool.
But yeah. So that's kind of the tour of the back. I know we are just in the customer service area, so
Yeah.
if you guys wanted to, we can go in the front.
So that was the back. There was one camera there, and then now we're going to be walking towards the front of the office, where you'll see. This is where we were talking about the dome that's by the front door. That way it can protect that area. So right now it's just a bunch of ladders, but because they're still working.
So obviously this is our main entrance. So everyone, all of our clients would come in and out of here. Most of our employees come in this way. And it would be, I believe several years ago, we actually did have a break-in through this door. So that is why we have the bars on it now. But having the cameras there will obviously hopefully deter any further things. We typically don't have a lot of issues in this area, but with all of the things that we house here now, plus all of our machines, it's a really good idea to have that extra layer of security.
Well, we're glad you guys chose us.
Yes, of course. We wouldn't consider anyone else. So.
Awesome. Well, thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed spending the day with us at Print Resources. Nikki, we appreciate you letting us be in your guys' way. So.
Oh, you're fine.
Thanks.
Thanks.